Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Sandy Williams. The Guyana-based Two Brothers Rice Milling Complex says it will be expanding its operations in Jamaica this year under the name Two Ally Brothers Corporation. Chief Executive Officer Javid Ally says the proposed expansion is expected to strengthen the company's engagement with the Jamaican market, contributing to economic development and job creation. Two Brothers operates 7 retail outlets along the east bank of the Essequibo and the east and west bank of the Demerara River. It distributes fuels, lubricants, and LPG gas. The company also owns the largest network of service stations in Guyana, while offering a wide range of other services such as wharfage facilities, ice production, and rice milling. The company recently made a donation of 220,000 kilograms of rice to residents in the parishes which were affected by Hurricane Melissa. Onto the stock market, the JSE index declined by 4,212 points, while the junior market index declined by 33 points. The winners included West Indies Petroleum Terminal, ISP Finance Services, Cygnus Real Estate Financial, 138 Student Living Jamaica, and R.A. Williams Distributors. The losers included Medical Disposables and Supplies, Jamaica Public Service 7%, 138 Student Living Jamaica Variable Preferences, Pulse Investments, and Tropical Battery Company. 24 stocks traded firm. Foreign exchange trading ended with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $159.46. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $117.09. The pound is going for $214.15, while the euro is selling for an average $186.91. And that's the Business Day. I'm Sandy Williams.